You wake up. The first thing you reach for. Your phone. Your thumb freezes. No scrolling. No notifications. No endless videos. No feeds. No likes. No comments. Today, everything changes. You delete every social media app. One by one. Instagram. TikTok. Facebook. X. Snapchat. Every shortcut disappears. The screen suddenly feels empty. For the first time in years. Silence. Your brain doesn't know what to do. You unlock your phone. Lock it again. Unlock it. Again. Pure habit. Your fingers are looking for something that no longer exists. You feel uncomfortable. Almost anxious. You didn't realize how automatic it had become. Every spare second. Scrolling. Waiting in line. Eating lunch. Using the bathroom. Lying in bed. 5 minutes here. 10 minutes there. Hours disappear. Today, none of that happens. Friends send memes. You don't see them. Someone tags you. You don't know. Breaking news spreads. You're completely unaware. For the first time, you feel disconnected. But deep inside, you also feel strangely free. The experiment begins. 1 year. 365 days. No social media. No exceptions. You have no idea how much your life is about to change. Level 2. The withdrawal. The first week feels impossible. Your hand reaches for your phone. Hundreds of times. Each time, nothing. The silence becomes loud. You suddenly notice something. You weren't bored before. You were distracted. Without endless entertainment, your mind starts wandering. You actually hear your own thoughts. At first, you hate it. Your brain craves stimulation. Tiny dopamine hits. Something new. Something exciting. Anything. Instead, there's nothing. Conversations feel longer. Bus rides feel slower. Waiting becomes waiting. No escape. The boredom feels unbearable. Then something unexpected happens. You begin observing people. You notice details, expressions, buildings, clouds, music playing in stores. Life was happening all along. You were just looking down. Level 3. Taking your time back. Weeks pass. Your screen time drops. 8 hours. Becomes 4. Then 3. You gain something priceless. Time. Real time. Hundreds of hours. You don't waste mornings anymore. You wake up. Stretch. Eat breakfast. Actually taste your food. You start reading books. At first, 10 pages. Then 20. Soon, entire books. Knowledge compounds. You learn new skills. Cooking. Writing. Public speaking. Investing. Your evenings become productive. Instead of consuming, you create. Instead of comparing, you improve. People wonder how you're getting so much done. They don't realize. You simply stop donating your attention. Level 4. Your relationships change. Something surprising happens. You start listening. Really listening. Conversations become deeper. You aren't checking your phone every few minutes. Family notices. Friends notice. You remember birthdays. You call instead of reacting with emojis. Face-to-face laughter feels different. It lasts longer. Some friendships disappear. You realize they only existed online. Others become stronger. Built on real conversations. Not streaks. Not likes. Not comments. Presence becomes your greatest gift. Level 5. The mental reset. Months pass. Your mind becomes quieter. You stop comparing your life to strangers. No luxury vacations. No perfect bodies. No fake success. No highlight reels. You stop chasing validation. Your confidence changes. Not because people approve of you, but because you approve of yourself. Your anxiety decreases. Sleep improves. Your attention span returns. Movies become interesting again. Books become easier. Work becomes enjoyable. You realize your brain was never broken. It was overloaded. Now, it finally has room to think. Level 6. Building a better future. With more focus, opportunities appear. You finish projects. You start businesses. You exercise consistently. You learn about money. You invest wisely. Every hour saved becomes an investment. Your habits compound. One workout, one chapter, one skill, one day, then another. Small actions, massive results. The people around you. Stay busy watching other people succeed. You're too busy building your own success. Level 7. The world keeps moving. Halfway through the year, something strange happens. You stop caring. Trending topics? You barely know them. Celebrity drama? Doesn't matter. Viral arguments? Never heard of them. At first, you feared missing out. Now, you fear wasting time. The world still spins. News still happens. People still live their lives. And somehow, you don't need to witness every second of it. Freedom isn't knowing everything. Freedom is choosing what deserves your attention. Level 8. A new identity. 9 months pass. People say you've changed. You seem calmer, more confident, more focused. You don't react instantly anymore. You respond thoughtfully. You make decisions without asking the internet. You trust yourself. Your self-worth no longer depends on numbers. No followers. No likes. No views. Just progress. Real progress. You realize something powerful. Attention is your most valuable currency. Where you spend it shapes your future. Level 9. Day 365. 1 full year. 365 days. No social media. You reinstall one app just to see. The feed loads. The same trends. The same arguments. The same endless scrolling. Only different faces. You smile. Not because it's exciting. Because you finally see it clearly. The apps didn't change. You did. You closed the app. Without hesitation. Without temptation. Without regret. You don't need constant entertainment anymore. You don't need strangers' approval. You don't need to know everything happening everywhere. You finally own your time, your focus, your attention, your life. The greatest reward wasn't quitting social media. It was discovering the person you became when you stopped letting it control you. One decision, 1 year, an entirely different future. And it all started the moment you chose yourself.